Hello everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am going to start one completely new playlist. The topic is multi-threading because this topic is most important for all the freshers, all the intermediate as well as experienced guys as well, because from the multi-threading most of the question coming into a interview room by the interviewer. So interviewer asking lots of question for multi-threading related topic guide. So I thought I need to bring this what topic in front of you guys. So guys, without further delay, we'll start our discussion. So guys, first I will explain what the topic I am going to cover in this playlist. So guys, see, almost 17 topics are there guys. So almost guys, this is 17 to 20 video I am going to explain. Not only one video, I will cover entire things. This is a vast concept because most of the candidate, it may be freshers or it may be what intermediate or experienced, what they will be scared, right, about this topic. Why? Because multi-threading is tough concept in our Java, but not like that guy. It's very easy guy. So first I will explain what the topic I will cover in this complete playlist of multi-threading, right? So guys, you can see here introduction of multitasking, multiprocessing and multi-threading. Before starting the multi-threading, you should aware about the what is multitasking, what is multiprocessing, then we will understood what is multi-threading. That is the first what topic what I am going to discuss in this video guys. First, this thing I will discuss completely introduction of multitasking, multiprocessing and multi-threading. So guys, the next topic is difference between process and thread. So also we need to aware what is process, what is thread. If you understand what is process and thread, then your complete multi-threading concept becomes very easy to understand. Then guys, next topic is thread life cycle. Then guys, how to create thread using thread class and runnable interface. This question most of the interviewer asking in the interview room. Okay, how to create thread and what is the way to create a thread. So you need to give the answer for this respective question. I will cover very depth in coming video guys. Then guys, different case of thread execution I will explain guys very depth. Thread class important method and constructor. Thread class naming related method just like a get name, set name, that method we have in our thread class. So how you're going to set your child thread, how you're going to override your main thread name, all things guys I will explain in coming video. Then guys, what is daemon thread? Also this question most important in the interview room. Most of the interview asking this question frequently. What do you mean by daemon thread? Yet how you're going to check this thread is daemon or not? How you're going to set your thread name as a daemon? So many questions are there guys in that topic as well. I will cover very depth. Then guys, thread class priority related method guy. So set priority, get priority, we have method in our thread class. So how you're going to set the priority of your thread? It may be main thread, it may be child thread. All things I will explain very briefly guy once I will start this topic. Then get next is what is sleep method, yield method, joint method. Then get difference between sleep, yield and joint method, what we have in our third class guy. Then get what is interrupt, interrupted and is interrupted method in our third class also will explain. What is synchronization guy in multi-threading, very important guy. Most of the candidates confused, scared about synchronization concept, but we need to aware what is synchronization concept in multi-threading. Then guy, what is synchronized method in multi-threading, what is synchronized block in multi-threading, what is static synchronization in multi-threading. Then guy, last but not least, that is what is inter-thread communication, what we have wait, notify and notify all. These three things already we have in our object class. What is the use in our multi-threading, that thing also I will explain guy once I will start this topic. So guys, this complete our what content of multi-threading. All the things I will cover one by one. Then guys, first topic is introduction of multitasking, multiprocessing and multi-threading. That thing today I am going to explain in front of you in very depth. So after watching this video guys, definitely I hope you should not have any confusion about multitasking, multiprocessing and multithreading. So guys, let's start. Guys, see, so already I mentioned, right? So our first topic is introduction of multitasking, multiprocessing and multithreading. In multithreading, right? So these three topics are very important. If you start multithreading, definitely you need to aware before multitasking and multiprocessing. Correct guy? Yes. Guys, see, so multitasking है first concept in our multi-threading. Before starting the multi-threading, first concept you need to understand what is multitasking. So guys, as a name refers, right? As a name, multitasking. Multi means guys many, tasking means guys task. If we are going to perform what multiple tasks or concurrent execution, right? Parallelly guy, simultaneously, then guy this concept come into picture. What guy? Multitasking. Simple guy, multitasking are many tasks. When we are going to perform multiple tasks or concurrent execution guy simultaneously in single time, if you're going to perform multiple tasks at a single time, that's called what? Multitasking. Yes or no guy? Yes. Guys, see, so what is the use guy? What is the use of multitasking? What is the benefit for that guy? So if we are going to use multitasking guy, that means what? It enhance what? Efficiency and performance of the CPU. It enhance the CPU efficiency, performance and responsiveness guy by allowing a program to perform multiple operations simultaneously. Obviously guy, you know, if you are going to perform multiple tasks at the same moment at same time, definitely the performance of CPU will increase guy. In real time also guy, suppose if you are going to perform multiple tasks at same moment guy, suppose if you are driving a car, listening a music, right? If you are driving a car, suppose same time if you are listening the music, right? Suppose if you are eating something, all these three activity, listening the music, yes or no, eating something, driving the car, three activity you are performing same time. That's why you can say that is the multitasking. Yes or no guy? So guy, you should know also how to execute multiple tasks as technically guy, as technically how to execute, how we're going to execute multiple tasks. Guys, see, might have the most of the candidate, you have done BCA, MCA, BTech, MTech. In your syllabus guy, one paper was one subject guy, operating system, right? In operating system guy, you know what it is doing guy. See, as per this diagram guy, you can see if you have one CPU guy, suppose this CPU guy will perform with the help of CPU performing multiple tasks guy. Suppose if operating system are performing a VLC media player guy. Do you know guy what is VLC? So VLC media player guy, by which you are going to what? Watch the video, listen the music. Yes or no? This is the VLC media player. Guys, suppose ID. If you can use guy IntelliJ ID or Eclipse, STS, Visual Studio. So we have different type of ID guy. So this is a one type of what? Program guy. Yes or no? So guy, browser. With the help of browser, we are going to access our any website guy. So you know guy what I'm going to tell here, what I want to tell here guy. So the CPU will switch all the program in nanosecond guy. You will not what? You will not come to know so how they are going to switch. Suppose if you're going to perform these three operations guy, already if you're working in the ID, suppose if you're working all the if you're working browser and VLC media player, so all these three tasks you are working simultaneously. So guy, with the CPU, so they are using one switch. So with the help of switch, they are going to what? Change the what? Process guy. Change the here process means program. So in same time they are going to perform multiple tasks. They are working with VLC media player, ID as well, browser as well guy. So same time you are going to perform multiple tasks with the help of CPU guy. Yes or no? So CPU is switching the task between each other in very nanosecond guy. So you are not understanding how it's working internally. Good guy. So that is the main thing guy, multitasking. If you're going for multitasking, that means same time you're performing multiple tasks. I hope guy you understood. Good. And main thing guy, what is the benefit for using multitasking guy? Means it increase the performance of CPU. Okay, because at same moment you perform multiple tasks. Guys, see, then next question guy here, next understanding guy, next concept, how you are going to achieve what? Multitasking. How you going to achieve multitasking in our Java? Guys, there are two approach by which you can achieve multitasking guy. So first approach guy, process based multitasking. What guy? First approach by which you can get multitasking guy. So first is process based multitasking, and guys second is thread based multitasking. What guy? First is process based multitasking, that is guy called multiprocessing. If you want to achieve multitasking, that means you should have two approach guy. First approach called guy multiprocessing, that is process based, and second guy multi-threading, that is guy thread based. That is our complete discussion in this playlist. Yes or no? Because we are going to learn multi-threading. So guy, we can achieve this multitasking with the help of multi-threading as well. But we need to understand what is multiprocessing as well. So guys, this is the process based. The name itself gave multi-process, multiple processor. It is used to perform a task, that is called multiprocessing. If we are going to use multi-thread, means multiple thread to perform a task, that is called guys multi-threading. That thing we'll discuss coming slide. So guys, first I will explain what is multiprocessing, that is process based. Guys, see. So guys, it's just same like that multitasking, multiple tasks, but guys this time multiple process again. Because why guys we can tell the process based guy? Because its name itself multiple process, means multi-process. We are using here process guy. So we'll understand what is process guy. Don't worry, I'll explain very depth. So guys, see, first we need to understand what is multiprocessing. As per definition guy, as per generic definition guy, as per English definition. So when one operating system, you can see guy, as per diagram, when one operating system is connected with multiple processor guy, you can see CPU1, CPU2, CPU3. So multiple processor is connected with one system in order to complete the task guy. Main motto is what? In order to complete the task parallelly. Yes or no? Because I see VLC media player, ID, browser, we have these three type of tasks. Yes or no guy? You can see clearly here. So we have three tasks guy. One task is VLC media player, second task is ID, means already I've told you Eclipse ID, STS, Visual Studio, IntelliJ ID, right? So any ID guy. So we have three tasks here guy. So we are going to perform multiple process guy. Already mentioned guy, when one operating system is connected with multiple processor in order to complete the task parallelly. So such beautiful concept came into picture, that is nothing but what? Multiprocessing. So guys, process means guy here task only. So one process means one VLC media player. ID means guy one process. Browser means guy one process. Keep in mind guy. So already mentioned guy, to implement multiprocessing in Java guy, the process builder class is used to create a new process. This class allows you to specify the command to execute and its argument. This thing internally, it's this thing happening, so you no need to worry about that guy. So you need to understand simply. So when one operating system is connected with multiple process in order to complete the task, guy, it's not necessary so multiple tasks. Sometimes guy one task also there guy, if you will have multiple CPU, the task will complete very fast. Yes or no guy? Yes. So guy, this concept multiprocessing best suitable for operating system level guy. This is not based on the programming level. I will explain guy. So as of now, you just understand this concept, this multiprocessing concept is best suitable at operating system level. As per this diagram, I hope you understood. So guys, we'll move next slide again. So already I mentioned in depth here, so you can read out this thing. So multiprocessing in Java guy refers to the ability of a program to create and manage multiple processes, allowing for the current execution. Already I've told you, concurrent means guy simultaneously, parallelly. If you're going to execute your task, each process runs in the guy on memory space. Already mentioned you, if you have multiple CPU guy, so enabling to parallelism on multiple core processor guy, it's internally happening guy. So Java achieve multiprocessing through the process builder class. This is internals for multiprocessing, which allow the certain and management of separate operating system processes. You just your knowledge sake keep in mind this thing. Then guy, our next already I mentioned guy this place. See, we can achieve multitasking in two ways. First guy, process based, that is multiprocessing, and guy second is thread based multitasking guy. So guy, you can see here that guy multi-threading. Multi means guy many, thread means guy I will explain. Don't worry what is thread, I will explain guy, but as I've understood what is multi-threading. Multi means many, thread I will explain. Just like a multi-processing means many processing guy, each and individual task is called one process. Guys, see here multi-threading in Java, right? So guys, first you understand what is thread guy. See guys, multi-threading Java guy means first it refers concurrent execution of multiple thread within a single program guy. So first I will explain what is thread. Guys, see in this diagram guy, so in last diagram I have explained you will have multiple guy. See, if you will have multiple process or task, VLC media player is one task, ID is guy one task, or browser is one task. Miss guy, you can say VLC media player as a process, task, job, all things are guys same, no any difference guy. So VLC media player, right, you can say it is a task, it is a process, it is a program. Great guy. So guys, see, so VLC media player guy it is a task, yes or no? So if you are going to perform a task, so guy under this task guy, under the VLC media player guy, you will have multiple subtask guy. A small, I can mention here, a thread is a lightweight sub process, the smallest unit of processing. I already mentioned, but I will explain what is lightweight, what is sub process, what is smallest unit. I will explain guy. See guy, you understand here, VLC media plays a big task. Suppose it is a big task, right? Suppose it's a program, suppose it is a task, suppose it is a what, process. Okay, so inside this process guy, if you're going to run VLC media player guy, inside we have what, performing multiple operation. What operation guy? You are watching the video with the help of VLC media player. You can watch the video, you can listen the music guy, you can track the time. So suppose this video belongs to 1 hour, so if you start the video, how much time it's remain now to complete this video? So guys, you can take the time, how much time already completed, how much time it remains now. So guys, if you're going to pause, right, then also it's one operation, yes or no, one task guys. Suppose if you're going to drink some water while you are watching the video, suppose after some time if you're going to take a drink of water, so you are going to pause your video. Once you come back in front of the system again, you're going to resume your system, right? That means there's such time, there's certain time your video will be paused, yes or no guys? So guys, this is also an operation, action, task, yes or no guys? So you can say in single process, single program, these all are a small task, yes or no? So running a video, listening a music, checking the time, or pause your video for while some time, yes or no guys? So guys, these all the small tasks done by whom guy? Thread only. So if you will have multiple thread, then you can perform simultaneously all subtasks. Then what? Your tasks will complete very fast. That means guys, these all are called what? Thread. So with the thread, you can complete all the tasks parallelly. Guys, that's why I can say a thread is a lightweight sub process. Guys, process is VLC media player, but inside it also you are performing multiple tasks. That is called what? Sub task also. So this is a smallest unit. Guys, see multiple name you can define. So thread is a lightweight, okay, and guys sub process, a smallest unit or sub tasks. Okay, if you're going to perform all these things, guys, process or small tasks, sub tasks, yes or no, that's equal, guys, with the help of thread only you are able to what? Complete. Yes or no, guys? So guys, it's allowing for efficient utilization of multi-core processor and improved application responsiveness. Guy, I hope you understood. So, 3D guy, what? A light process, lightweight sub process, or a smallest unit of the process guy within a program. Also, you can say. So, thread is a smallest unit within a process. Simple thing you can understand in this way. So if anybody asks you what is thread, you can say thread is a smallest unit within a process. Process guy, VLC media player. These all under this VLC media player, you're performing all the sub task guy, sub process, a smallest unit that's called guy thread. I hope you understood guy. I will move forward guy. Guys, see same thing I explained guy very clearly here. Guys, see multi-threading, thread based. Yes or no? Already told you guys, multi-threading is the thread based. So guys, multi-threading is best suitable for programming level, because if you're going to write any application, any program, that time you need to use thread related concept. I hope you understood guys. So guys, a multi-threaded program contains two or more parts. Get two or more parts means two or more operation, task, yes guys, job that can run concurrently. Guys, see that can run concurrently, and each part can handle a different task at the same time guys. You can see guys here. So you are what? Watching the video, listening the music, tracking the time. You can pause your video as well. Guys, see these all are guys task only. Yes or no? Guys, that's why you can say here concurrently. A multi-thread program contains two or more. It may be two, more than two also. Parts means guy that task guy, okay, that can run concurrently guy. So guy, these all tasks guy running concurrently. Once you are going to watch the video in same time also guy, you are listening music or not guy. If you're going to open VLC media player guy, same time you are watching the video also, listening the music also, tracking the time also, and pause the video also you can do. That means guy, all the tasks you are performing concurrently guy. You can see same thing I mentioned here. A multi-thread program contains two or more parts that can run concurrently, and each part can handle a different task. Obviously guy, the all are different tasks. Yes, you can see video I mentioned same thing here. If you have any confusion, you can go through this slide guy. So VLC media player guy, task, you can see guy, it is a task, it is a job, it is a process, it is a program. Okay, don't confuse. Multi-threading very very easy guy. So VLC media player is one task. You can say somebody, it can say task, somebody may it tell what? Job, somebody it may tell what? Process, somebody it may tell program also. So all the things are same guy. I mentioned here guy. VLC media player, task, job, process, program. So guys, see whenever if you're starting VLC media player, so guys, these all the sub tasks, guys, video, music, time time tracking, process, progress bar, these all are called guys sub process or sub task. So these all tasks are happening simultaneously. Yes or no? Tell me guys. When you're going to open a VLC media player, you're watching video, listening music, time taking also, progress bar also. You all the operation performing same time guy. Yes or no? Why guy? With the help of thread only. Guys, see, so thread 0 may perform video operation guy. So thread 1 may perform music operation. If thread 2 guy perform time taking operation, progress bar guy performed by thread 3. So that means guy, what I understood here, so all the tasks, all the sub tasks performed by individual thread. That's why guy, your task is complete very fast. Means multi-thread guy. The name itself guy, multi-thread. You can see here, multiple thread. Thread 0, thread 1, thread 2, thread 3. Excuse me. So multiple threads are working simultaneously to perform a task. That is called multi-threading. I hope you understood. Then guys see what is the use of multi-threading in real time guys. Guys see for building any software guy, just like a VLC media player, right? So you're performing multiple tasks. You're watching the video, listening the music, tracking the time, and progress bar also. So there are so many operations you're performing same time. So while you're going to building any software, so you need to perform multiple operations in same time. That is the best use case of what multi-threading. Then guy, gaming application. Guy, most of the person right need for speed. Guy, one game is there. So in that game guy, multiple car is moving here and there, right? So same time guy, multiple objects coming guy. Yes or no? Guy, in gaming application, multi-threading using vast. Okay, so very what means most of the application for in gaming multi-threading are using a lot. So yeah, that thing also you need to understand. Then get animation application. In animation application also multi-threading concept are using a lot. Then get you we have normal application get Word, Excel, ID, VLC media, multiple application where we are using multi-threading a lot guys. So guys, these are the place where you can use multi-threading. Then guys, next topic. Guys, see, I will explain with a small example, guys. I will explain with a small example with or without. Suppose, guys, if we are not going to use multi-threading, what will be happen? If we will use multi-threading, then what will happen, guys? Guys, see, already explained, guys, in previous content, previous slide, guys. So we have one VLC media player, right? So, guys, VLC media player is, guys, just like one process, program, or task, correct? Yes. Guys, see, in this VLC media player guy, we are going to perform two tasks guy. Suppose if you are going to perform two tasks. So guy, as of now I'm explaining without multi-threading. If you are not using multi-threading, what will happen guy? Just concentrate and understand guy. See guy, I have one VLC media player class. In that guy, I have one main method. And guy, we have two methods guy. One method belongs to play video and one method belongs to play music. Okay? So guys, in Java we know very well that suppose if you're performing two tasks guys, suppose one task is play video and other task is play music. So guys see, first if I will call this method guy play video. So guys, first this play video will start, right? Once it will start play video guy and once it will complete, then guy play music will start. Yes or no? So first if you call the play video method, so it will start and it will complete. Suppose the video size is 1 hour guy. Suppose video size is 1 hour. So after 1 hour guy, this play music will start. Yes or no guy? Yes. Without using multi-threading, I am explaining this thing. So first 1 hour play video method will call and execute. Once it has done, then play music will start. Then guy, again 1 hour it will take. So guys, tell me 1 hour video is taking 2 hours. So 1 hour for video, 1 hour for music. Guys, tell me, is it correct? Suppose if you're going to watch a movie in a theater, so first suppose video movie size is 3 hours guys. Suppose you think if you're going to watch the movie in a theater, movie duration is 3 hours. So first 3 hours only you see video and after 3 hours you will see the music. Guys, your movie duration becomes 6 hours. Tell me guys, is it correct? Guy, without multi-threading. If you are not going to use multi-threading guy, that means 3 hour your movie will become 6 hour guy. But guy, if you are going to use multi-threading, guy, if you're going to use multi-threading guy, suppose this play video will perform by thread 1 guy and guy play music perform by thread 2. Suppose guy, this thread 1, thread 2 will work parallelly. So guys, in single hour only, you can listen to music also, you can watch the video also guys. So 1 hour, you can complete both the tasks. Okay, that is the power of multi-threading. Because multi-threading talks about what? We are going to perform the task parallelly, simultaneously, concurrently. Yes or no guys? That is guys, power of multi-threading. These all things guys I will explain in coming video with the our real-time code guy. So don't worry. As of now, only explain theoretically for your understanding purpose how this multi-threading important for us for our Java implementation. Guys, see then last but not least guys, some point what you need to keep remember forever. So by which your multi-threading concept will becomes very easy guy. So guys, we can say that multi-threading is best suitable for programming level. If you want to perform any operation, any task, any program, that again, if you will use multi-threading, so your life becomes very easy. Otherwise, 3 hours video will take 6 hours guy. Correct? I have understood guy. Then guy, next thing. So multi-threading is too easy guy. Why you can say multi-threading is too easy concept? Why sir? So guy, multi-threading is easy due to Java provides guy predefined API for multi-threading. Guy understand. So what I'm going to explain, it's very helpful for your understanding because Java provides predefined API for multi-threading. So guys, don't confuse, don't scared what is API. I will explain guys coming video. So the API means as simple as a general application programming interface, which is means under the API guy we have multiple class and interface by which we can perform multiple our operation guy. Guys, see in our Java already we have so many guy predefined guy class other guy thread class runnable thread group also there guy concurrency package we have guy thread pull also the guy you know guy thread pull means guy executed framework. If you're going to use thread pull, that means it is a executed framework. I will explain this thing also in coming video guy. So guys, see that's the why our multi-threading becomes very easy guy because 10 to 20% things only we are going to implement by us. 80% things take care by guy Java only because already they have given different types of what implementation what we need to implement for multi-threading concept. Correct guy? So we can say 10 to 20% things only we need to understand what we need to know the process how to create a thread how can call the respective method what we have in thread class and 80% things only you're going to reuse what they have given, right? Yes. So guys, we can say that so our multi-threading concept is very easy. Only the things is that we need to understand how it's happening. Correct guy? That's guy from this video. So I hope you understood all the things what I explained in this video guy. Guys, see if you like my video guy, please like, share, subscribe. So guys, same type of conversation, same types of concept I will bring in front of you. So by which you can get more benefited. While you're going to give any interview, so you can tell to the interviewer, yes, I know very well what about multi-threading. What is multi-threading? I know very well. Yes guy, that type of confidence you should have once you will watch complete video guy. That's it guy, thank you, bye bye. We'll meet very soon in next video with new topic guy.